Oopsie.
What's going on, guys? Jonesy here, back with another video for you guys today, and today this video is different. We got a new drone. We got a new drone for Christmas, so I did keep it a little bit quiet. Yes, another new drone. I have 4 drones basically, but I've been keeping this one a little bit quiet because I've been playing with it, and it took me so long to get used to it and the controls. I've been trying to find some decent places I can get some nice footage of flying the drone, but there's hardly nothing around here, so I'm basically going off nothing. But the drone is DJI again. I have 3 DJIs, but the other one's coming very soon. But this drone over there, I'm going to be filming that drone and I'm talking about it. But first things first, let's just talk about it, and then we can go over the park and catch some nice sunset photos. So let's zoom over there. So that's the drone right there. That's the beauty right there. That is a DJI Spark. It's a small little drone that you can basically fit in your pocket-ish. It's got a nice sunset yellow, I believe, on the top. But you can change some colours to whatever. I want to change mine to red or green. It has a gimbal on here, the camera, so it can go side to side, up and down. Basically, whenever you like moving the drone waves like up and down, left to side, the camera stays level.
Wait. Let's stop here for a second so I can tell you guys about the features this drone has. But these are the main features that I find very interesting. But you have other features as well. But this video here that you are seeing, it's called Jonesy. It's one of the features. It basically flies backwards and upwards, and the camera is locked on to you. And the second one is circle. Well, does what it says, it circles around you. The third one is called helix. It essentially flies up and it circles around you and going outwards as well. So it's almost like a spiral, but it's called helix. And then the last one is called rocket. It basically, bird's eye view, it flies above you and goes up. There is another one which is cool. It's called gesture. Basically, you put your palm up to the drone, and then that drone will lock onto your hand, and then you can move your hand up and down, side to side, and it will follow that hand. And you can also take photos with it and videos and etc. But those are the main features that I find impressive myself. Now let's get back onto the video.
And then in here you have a sensor, so you can basically track it with your hand. You can control the drone with your hand basically, but it's very dodgy, and it has sensors, so you can't fly it too close to an object like a bin or yourself. And this here is the intelligence battery. This battery costs a lot of money for a small battery, but it's an intelligent battery. That battery makes the drone do whatever. Over here you have the controller. You got the sticks, up and down, whatever. Return to home button, the record pause button. That's the sports mode, so you can switch out. It can go fast. Switch out for some slow drone. FN, I have really no idea what this one does. That button there is power button. You click it and hold it. Turns on. You have 4 LEDs on the front, but the battery's kind of going on that one. But this one might last a very long time. Up the top you have aerials that just pull out like that. Onto the back you have the gimbal wheel to control it, so it goes up and down. And that's the record button. That's to take photos with, and that one can be set for anything. I mean, this is literally how small the battery actually is. Like, it's near enough the size of my palm. But the way you just turn on the battery is click it and hold it, then it's turned on. But this battery is going as well, so might need to charge them before we go over the park. But this remote also connects to your phone, so you can view the camera, the drone, to the phone. So it goes from the drone, remote, then this plugs into your phone, then you can view it from your phone. It's quite sick. But so the way this drone works is that you basically just have your controller, yeah, as standard. Press again and hold, turns on. Then you get your spark, click and press and hold. Then you'll hear a fan. Then you hear that sound telling you it's on. So what I do is plug this so this is just basically like a Samsung plug to USB, and that just basically goes into there like that. Get your lightning cable, just plug it in as normal in here. So what I like to do on my phone, so what I like to do for this, I like to put my phone on airplane mode and then scroll across to when you find your DJI Go 4 app. You'll see its homepage. Then you basically just plug it in and it should instantly connect. Yeah, it might charge it, but I do have a firmware update, so I'll look at that actually in a minute, to be fair. But you're basically greeted here. So basically what I can do is that I can just turn the motor up and down by this wheel here. So if I turn the gimbal goes down, then it goes. Then that's essentially your aerials. Simply just turning the gimbal wheel on this wheel here, it goes up to the left. Then if you go to the right, the gimbal goes up. I mean, this is the box right here. But if you can see, the texture is polystyrene again, like all DJIs come in these sort of boxes right here. Okay. So you have the drone itself. Okay, so you have two batteries on each end. Then you got the drone that fits in the middle itself, and the blades, like I said, the blades fold up, so you can actually close them and put the lid on top of the drone. And that little gap right there, that's basically so you can take the propellers off and put them in there. So I actually think now I'm actually gonna wait till like when it's kind of like sunsetty, because then I can go out and take some nice photos, of course. But yeah, we're gonna wait until when it's sunset-ish, then we'll go over the park. Because sunset's like around 4-ish now, and it's like 3:30 right now. Because it's in the winter, so it sets, so sunset's a little bit earlier, which I really hate, but can't wait for summer basically. Alrighty, so this is our location again. Yeah, I did bring the Phantom here to fly, but I have no other locations, and that abandoned car is still there. So no idea what's going on with there. But yeah, it's just basically another muddy, whacked up field still. That's near my park. There's like a park like over there. Then there's like a school over there. Then the youth club, then there's shops and just houses. But I think this location should do. I mean, it is a little bit dark, so I think it's going to be really hard, but I'm going to try and get some onboard footage because this camera is quite sick. I mean, I did get some photography photos with this drone, so I'm going to plug this battery in, turn it on and give you guys some B-roll of this drone.
Oopsie. So yeah, it's getting very late. It's at dark, as you can see. But one of my problem is that I flew the drone into me by purely accident, and I've lost one of the propellers in this grass somewhere. So I actually have no idea where it is. So I have to spend like half an hour trying to find this propeller in this stupid grass so I can fly it again. I mean, one battery went dead on me, so I hooked in another one, and that's just got 2.5 lives left. So I have to find it in the grass somewhere. So and it's getting really like dark. I know that you guys can't tell that it's dark because of my phone, but it is dark. Found it. I actually found it, but I think I broke it. Maybe. But don't worry, I got spares at home, so pack up my drone here. So I got everything packed up in my 11 degrees bag. So I got everything packed up. So now you guys can't see me in the dark. I'm basically going home. I've got everything packed up, and I'm gonna stick you guys in time lapse of the sun going down.
So alrighty guys, I am back home finally. I did actually figure out what's actually wrong in my propeller. So what's actually wrong with this propeller? So this is the broken propeller right here. What's actually wrong with it is that there's meant to be hooks on the edges, like. So this is a completely new one. But do you see them hooks on the edges? Yeah. Well, that's meant to have them on here, but they snapped off. But I got spare ones, of course, from this one here that I'll actually show you. So that's my spare drone. It's another Spark, yes, but there's like 4 spares propellers. So that's the inside of the drone. If you're ever wondering what it is actually inside the drone, there's actually not much. I believe that there's a fan, something that goes over the top, and then the plate goes on here. But the plate that went on here is white, but we kind of destroyed it trying to get it off. guys are watching, please do make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button. But I hope you guys did have a ton of fun watching this video. I will be doing another video of a new drone to see you for some more videos, and I had a ton of fun flying this and making this. I'm Jonesy and I'm out.